Imagine turning your small investments into millions over time. The secret? Compounding returns, the most powerful financial strategy in the world. Compounding isn't just for mathematicians or Wall Street experts. It's a simple concept that anyone can leverage. When your earnings start generating their own earnings, your wealth begins to grow at an astonishing rate. At NiceHash.cc, we brought this strategy to the world of Bitcoin mining. Powered by renewable energy and cutting-edge technology, our mining operations are designed to maximize your profits effortlessly. By reinvesting your earnings, you're not just mining Bitcoin, you're creating a system where your returns multiply exponentially over time. Think of compounding like a snowball rolling down a hill. With each turn, it grows larger and faster, and so does your wealth. It's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. The longer you stay, the bigger your returns grow. Start small, reinvest consistently, and watch as your wealth compounds. Your path to financial freedom begins with a single step. NiceHash.cc is here to help you take that step and make the most of your mining potential. Don't wait for success to come to you. Take control, harness the power of compounding, and start building your future today.